guys, and welcome back to MS Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the DX12 shaders error, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is make your way over to the search bar and go ahead and type in display adapters. Go ahead and type in device manager. Once the device manager is open, then you're going to make your way over to display adapters. From display adapters, right click on your GPU and hit update driver, and then go ahead and choose search automatically for drivers. And now once that is done, you guys should be good to go. The second method you guys can try doing is by going over to the GeForce Experience app. From here, this is if you have NVIDIA, obviously. If you're on AMD, you can use the AMD equivalent app, or you can just go ahead and just manually install it from Google by just typing in, latest drivers for AMD/NVIDIA. But I recommend using the app; it's just easier. Anyways, go over to drivers, go over to GeForce Game Ready driver. If there is a download or an update, you can go ahead and click on the green download button. If not, then you guys are good to go. You can click on check for updates just to make sure, and once you're done with that, you guys are good to go. Now that is it for the video. You can always try restarting your PC as well, and once you do all of these methods, you guys are good to go, and that is it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.